Yeah, welcome. Welcome to the channel, guys. Hold on. I'm trying to share my screen here. Okay. I don't know. Can everybody see my screen right now? I don't know. Let me confirm that. Okay. Yeah. It's kind of dark here. Yeah. So basically, we'll be starting up with gold charts. Damn. I don't know why this is kind of. I don't know. Yeah. So basically, we'll be starting up with gold charts here. Gold. Gold. Expecting a buy on gold on Friday. I was expecting a buy, but market did not get to sweet out for buying, right? So first of all, we are going to be going to the 4 hours time frame to check out what is currently happening on the markets. So basically, on the 4 hours time frame, this is what I'm making on the 4 hours time frame. My buy pattern is still linked that, and if I am to execute this trade right here, it will be a fair value gap. So basically, what I am seeing on the 4 hours time frame is I'm seeing a high right here, a low. So basically, I'm expecting market to just come down here, clear this last low, and then buy off, right? And then buy off. That's what I'm expecting. That's from the 4 hours time frame. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame now. Let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour is more clear. The 1 hour is more clear, but basically it is still the same thing. It is still the same thing on the 1 hour. Yeah, it is still the same thing on the 1 hour. It is still the same thing on the 1 hour. So if I should want to take my trade, I will just be expecting market to just clear this low, this last low, and then I will look out for my entry confirmation after hitting this either the fair value gap or the order block right here on 15 minutes time frame. Hmm? So basically that's what I'll be waiting for. That's what I'll be waiting for. This is the pattern I'm using. The concept of what highs and lows, right? Yeah, right here. This is our A. Then market book the structure. Market book the structure to the upside. Let me change. So market book the structure to the upside and pull back again. Then we have our B. We have our B. Right? So the only thing I'll be waiting for is for market to clear this particular market to clear it. Once market clear it, I'll look out for my change of character on the smaller time frame. Then I will buy up to this point. So basically, that is me trading from external to external. I don't know if you get that. Let's go to the one. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame to confirm that again. So you can see. You can see. So this is the pattern I use most times. This is the pattern I use most times. clear this. So back to the 4 hours. Just to show you guys that again. So as you can see right here, we have a high, then a low, then another high right here, then a low. This is a pullback. We have an incomplete market movement here. So basically, I'll just expect market to just come down. I'll just expect market to come down, clear this low, and then buy off. Right, so I'll be taking my trade either from the 15-minute order block or the fair value gap, either of the two. So that's where I'll be taking my trade. So my anticipation for this week on gold is nothing but a buy, nothing but a buy, and it is until market clear this last low before I start want to look out for my buying movement. Then I'll be buying up to this high right here since I'm trading from external to external. So let's go to GBJPY. GJ. So on GG last week, I was anticipating a sell on GG last week. Right? Let me delete this. I was anticipating to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, good. So on the 1 hour time frame, still using the same pattern, the concept of protected highs and low. I have my low. Now this pullback is incomplete block, but the reason why right before selling, so market just retreated a little bit, then sold off. So in a case like this will be my inducements. This high will be my inducement, right? And I'll be looking out for market and then sell off. So immediately market cleared this last high, and I was looking out for a sell pattern at this particular order block on 15 minutes, I guess. Yeah, 15 minutes. So I marked down my order block on the 15-minute time frame, and immediately market tapped into it. I was looking out for my sell, right? So most of the times I get to use 1 minute to mark my change of character. Whenever I want to mark out my change of character on the 1 minute or 3 minute time frame, I'll use a double break of structure. So now what do I mean by that? So if market is giving me a high, a low, another high, then a retracement, a low. So basically in a case like this is structure one, right? And this is structure two. Yeah. And this is structure two. Why? Because we have a clear break of structure. Okay. So which makes this one my structure one and structure two. So what I'll just be expecting on the lower time frame is for market to just for a pullback. The market will break this last low. Okay. Market will break this last one. And after market has broken this last one, so this will just serve as a pullback for me. Then I will be looking out for a momentum around this side, around this zone. My momentum will be around this zone. So it's either I see a favor back to this other block, then I'll take my sell immediately. So basically that is how I take my trade, mostly on smaller time frames like 1 minute time frame. That was on Friday actually. So going to the 1 minute time frame, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see this clearly. Let me delete all of this. Yeah. 1 minute time frame. Hold on. Yeah. So going to the 1 minute time frame, this is the upward movement right here. Where market started selling. Hold on. So where market started selling. So basically this is the uptrend. This one right here is the uptrend. This one is the uptrend. Why this is the downtrend on 1 minute time frame, right? So basically in a case like using the concept of protected highs and low inducements, liquidity, blah blah blah. And even I'm using price action, I would have said I would be using the likes of candlestick confirmations like bearish engulfing, I'm bearish engulfing, evening star. So it is just used to spot change in reversal. But I'm not using price action right here. I'm not using price action. So just like I said before, I found a high right here, then a single break of structure for me. And this second level will be the double break of structure, right? Yeah, which makes the second level a double break of structure. So in a case like this, after market has broken the second back as usual, so markets dig this thing. After market has broken this low, I marked out this pullback level. I marked it out and I waited for market to clear it. So after market cleared it, I entered for a sell immediately and I got stopped out. Like no retracement at all. I didn't even get to see any blue. I got stopped out. So mind you, this is not the first time I will be using this particular pattern. I've used it on gold several times, the same 1 minute time frame. Okay. So I've used it on gold several times. So getting stopped out is not an issue for me at all. That does not mean I'm not going to use the same pattern over and over again. Hold on, let me see if I can find a screenshot of this same particular pattern. I'm coming now. Hold on. Trying to find a screenshot of it. I think it's this one. I will share it with you guys now. Hey, this. Hold on. Yeah, as you can see, this is 1 minute time frame on gold. That's a particular pattern movement, but in this case it is a buy, right? In this case it is a buy. So as you can see, break of structure one, break of structure two. It is so sad I can't highlight it out. So let me go to another 1 minute time frame on gold. Okay, this is another one again. Same gold. This 3 minutes time frame actually. This 3 minutes time frame. This one is 3 minutes time frame also. So basically, I've used that same pattern over and over again, and it is not a new thing for me. So getting stopped out on that trade is not actually my fault. So that is it for GG. I'll probably once the market opens, by the way. Yeah, because the market have not yet passed that zone. Yeah, probably once the market open, I'll either look out for a buy before because since I've gotten stopped out, there's high chances the market will not sell again that zone. So I'll just flip this particular zone. Oh wow. So I'll just flip this particular zone and I will change it into a buy. Yeah, targeting the next time. So as for GJ, I am looking out for a buy. Nothing but a buy. Hold on. So I'm